video to show you how to remove this wing mirror on your Nissan Navara NP300. It should be the same for either side. We have done a video of how to remove the mirror glass, and we'll put the link up here or up there. You go. Let me do it up there. What other video did we? We did a video of how to remove the chrome cover, because we've painted it black. So yeah, you'll look like this. This is the mirror with the LED indicator through the middle. We've painted it black, and we'll put another video link there to show you how to do that. Right, yeah. So the first thing you need to do is remove the door card, which is that Ian's modelling it there. Beautiful. So
long and short, take this handle off, pop the bottom of that out, reveal your screw,
and then pull it off. But yeah, we'll put the link there for that. So once you've got your door card off, you're going to be faced with this. Now you do have to take your door card off. Now, first of all, you can remove this triangle, which is the first step in the door card, but you think, I'm home and dry. And sure enough, you can get the bolts out. But what you can't get to is this connector here. So for the 2 minutes it will take you to take the door card off, we're recommending you take the door card off, because you could try and get your little hands in and mess about. But by the time, and then if you get it out, you've got to get the other one back in. Right, another thing to note. Wing mirrors have several, they come in different flavours. First of all, I didn't know this, but left-hand drive and right-hand drive wing mirrors sit at a different angle. So you actually have to buy the correct wing mirror for you, whether you're left or right-hand drive, because just the angle they sit at is different. Secondly, you've got heated glass, so the actual mirror glass is heated or non-heated, so that's a different option there. You've also got electrical adjustment, so you've got your manual adjustment or your electric, which tilts the mirror up and down and left and right. So that's another thing to consider when if you have to buy a new mirror, whether it's got that feature. And the last feature is power fold. So whether it's got the ability when you park to fold the mirror in, and then when you open the car again to fold the mirror out. So you need to make sure, and they all have the same.
Came with and without LED. Well.
An indicator, so really, so that LED indicator, so you've got 4 options. So if you're changing your mirror, now you may be happy to do without heated, but just be aware of what you're buying and what sacrifice you're making. Now the plug, and that's what led me on to this, the plug obviously needs different numbers of wires depending what features it's got in it. So that's another issue you may have, but the plugs are all the same, because we've got this one here is pretty much full spec. This has got everything as far as we're aware. This is heated, electric, power fold, indicator. So it's got all 4 options. But we do have a more basic model here. And this still comes with the same plug with loads of connections. But you can see only certain, if I point the camera in the right place, you can see, only certain of the connector pins are populated, right? So that's what we're going to do. We're going to show you how to change this. Right, go. So we got the door card. There's a little push there, little push.
Push the centre tab, pull it out.
Right. Then we got some
10mm.
10mm socket. Where am I going to go, Ian? Where am I going to visit? There we go. I've got you. There's your three things. Might be easier to open your open your mirror first, so you can put one hand round and sort of hold it as you're just about to take it off. But let's have a look. Let's have a look. They're all the same, those gears. Let's have a look at one of those nuts, Ian.
They're just flange nuts.
They're just flange nuts. They're all the same, are they? Yeah.
Now often they're really nice, and they put an anti-drop feature on it, so there's usually a locating pin or something to stop the wing mirror falling out.
I'll grab that last nut off you while you're there.
But just in case.
Alright, he's got it grip. Yeah, so it doesn't look like
holding it.
It's on there pretty solid, right? So
you shouldn't go knocking it off.
Shut the door gently. Or are you gonna? Was that too risky? No, you got it there. That's it.
Give it a wiggle.
And it's coming. And it's coming with that gasket as well. So that's quite important. Let's just have a look at that gasket, Ian. So that gasket did come. It comes off with the gasket. So it leaves you. You've got the original window rubber, but everything else you want to remove, just leaving the painted door there. Right. So let's have a look. So
has a rubber gasket on it already.
Yeah.
You may need to fit it and line it up.
Check it's all good.
But you've got these little locating tabs.
Oh, sorry, I'm not pointing. I've got to get used to this new camera. Yeah.
all the way around just to make sure that that's all in line.
Thread the little cable through. Push him through. Now, do you want to grab one of those? Oh, he's going to... It should stay. It does seem fairly well balanced, actually.
Ultimate faith in it. I think the actual, as it tilts, the threads of these studs
so it sort of
kind
jam
lock
up,
against the
and
top.
where they're barbed,
But yeah, quickly just
But you could open your window. Might be a
get-
top tip before you start.
Yeah, quickly just get one on there, and that will make sure it doesn't fall off.
That's it. Put your connection in. I suggest when you've put your connector in, you test the functionality before you put your door card. So close your door, check everything works fine. Then when you're happy, put your door card on. Should just snap back on, put the fixings in, and hopefully that's you motoring again. So good luck with that.